One stormy night, the village of Sunberry was struck by a powerful flood. Houses were damaged, gardens washed away, and the school roof collapsed. The next morning, the villagers stood in silence, staring at the mess. Tara, a young girl, clutched her soggy backpack. "Will everything be okay?" she asked her father. He knelt beside her and said, "It will, because we'll fix it together." Soon neighbors gathered with tools, food, and blankets. The carpenter helped rebuild homes. The teacher held classes under a big tree. Children like Tara planted new flowers and painted cheerful signs that read, "We believe in Sunberry." Even though everyone was tired and some would lost precious things, no one gave up. They shared stories, sang songs, and reminded each other that hope was stronger than any storm. Weeks later, the village looked different, but brighter. The school had a new roof, the gardens bloomed again, and the people smiled with pride. Tara looked around and said, "We're stronger than the flood." Her father nodded. "Hard times can shake us, but they can't break us, especially when we stand together." Moral: even in difficult times, people can be strong and brave. Working together brings hope, healing, and a chance to rebuild.